I get to drive past these projects on a daily basis and they're transitioning every single day. But the thing I love about these 3 homes is when you get to see them finished. When they're fully landscaped, when all the facade screening is up, that's when they just pop.
I'm Mohammed.
I'm Stephen.
I'm the director of Sabdia Constructions.
And I oversee construction and development at Sabdia.
So out of the 3 Avenue Collection properties, we've got Haven. It's a very neutral palette. It's got a traditional facade as well, so it's a very soft, delicate, it's more of a feminine sort of art. I'd say Encanto was more of a Mediterranean-inspired, travertines, and then Spectre is the one that we're currently sitting in. Spectre is a little bit more masculine. It's probably my favorite in terms of the color and finishes. It's what I've got in my own personal house. You walk through the front door. On the left-hand side, we've got a home office. Coming through that, we've got the staircase, which is framed with the aluminium balustrade. As you come through on the right-hand side, you've got a mudroom. Laundry's off to the side next to the garage. And then you come into the living, dining, kitchen space, which I think is really where most families spend most of their time. So we normally make our living, dining, kitchens quite opulent. We like to make them large. And obviously leading out from the kitchen and living, I think it's important to have a good size al fresco, which has close access to your pool, and the pool must be viewed from the living space. If you've got young kids in there playing in the pool, you always want to be able to see it from the kitchen, which is why we try to give it views from the kitchen and the living area. As we come upstairs, we've got a second study area, 3 kids' bedrooms, each with their own walk-in robes and en-suites. Coming back towards the front, we've got a living area on the side. And then you come into the master. I think it's probably one of the largest masters we've built.
It's a showpiece.
It's a huge master with a good sized walk-in robe. And then you come into the master ensuite, which has a beautiful round bath. We've actually got Tundra Crazy Pave, which is custom. So gunmetal, I think it really suited the color scheme of the house. You know, having this being more the masculine project with the, gray Tundra, I just felt gunmetal was perfectly suited. And I think it speaks for itself. You know, you look at it now and I can't imagine a different color in there. It stands out in this kitchen.
Construction is a really challenging industry, but it's all worthwhile when the product is finished, when it's filled with furniture and wall art, and you get to come and walk in the space and see how people are going to live in the space. So that, to us, I think makes it all worthwhile.